Welcome back, everybody. Callen Camper Life. Fun week, plenty of food, some sunshine and snow. So let's go. Oh, it's cold this morning. It's frosty. It's like fake snow. Let's go check some temperature over here. I think that's 22. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, look at this sunshine out here. Oh, goodness. Oh, man. It's like 35 degrees, too. Holy moly. I better start planning another trip. I better make myself another adventure out with this weather looking so nice. I do have some plans for another little trip here pretty soon, so hang in there. Have a great day, everybody. Peace. Gotta open up that sunroof a little bit. And look at the price of these pork roasts. They're almost 2 pounds each. Scored. Got some seasoning, salt, chili flakes, and half a dozen taters. I'm gonna add a little water and let it rip. This thing will cook all day, at least till like 5 o'clock. Ooh, I think it's almost dinner time. This is what I need right here. Good day, busy, productive day. Yeah. Well, we got more packages showing up today. What do we have here? What the heck is this? Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm having that. Man, it's packed in ice. Oh heavens. Ooh-wee. Honey baked ham. This was a blessing from a friend of mine, so yeah. Ho ho ho. How about that?
Later.
Yeah, we got some snow last night. I didn't even know we was gonna get any. How about that? Whew. Man, The sun pops out this morning. What are you gonna do? It's not much, a couple inches maybe. It's all good. I'll take it. Have a great day, everybody. Peace. Just wonderfully snowy. It's a snowing on in here. Yeah. I can dig it. I dig it. Oh, Glory, she's about due to be replaced here. But beautiful day, beautiful Christmas weekend. Good morning, everybody. Oh, Glory, enjoying some sunshine like I am. Gotta go let the chickens out. Still watching them today. Gotta get this video posted. Wanted to say Merry Christmas to everybody. Hope you all have a wonderful holiday. It's been quite a year. Wanted to say hi to everybody. Thank you so much for coming to the channel, and for people that just swing by, thank you too. You all make a difference in my life. So have a wonderful day. Enjoying a little bit of leftover snow from that storm the other day. And yeah, gotta go make some coffee and get with it. Peace, everybody.